Hey guys, Gary Schultz of Cyclone Custom Trucks and Vans. We're going to put in this Keko Tailgate Seal today. Is this hard to say? Tailgate Seal. Anyway, I did a lot of research. This is not sponsored, but I believe that this is one of the best tailgate seals for the Ranger out there. This is a 24 Ranger, so it'd be 24 and up that it'll fit. I have a Raptor, but Rangers are all the same. Let's get started on this baby. Now I washed my truck yesterday and I cleaned off all where the seals are and stuff. And so this kit here comes with a couple of brackets. Nice cloth here. These are for the sides. And then these go around the edges here. And then this is the actual seal that goes across the bottom. So it's pretty significant. So I'll let that kind of flatten out over there. It's been sitting in the cold. Here's our couple extra pads and stuff that I got for it. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this gasket on here. Okay, there. I got it on there pretty good. I mean, it ain't perfect, but it's pretty good. And the rest of it is just peel and stick, right? You can do it. So there's our part. We got to take all this off over here. I would say that's about 10 foot-pounds tight there. I don't know if you guys can hear the heater. So, I apologize. If not, that's great. I love this little guy. This little 1/4-inch drive ratchet from Harbor Freight. It worked good. So, take that out. No need to even remove the rubber piece here at all. It's like the tailgate stopper part. No need to remove that at all. Just leave it right there and put this part in. So this little sheet metal piece is where some of the seal is going to adhere. So we'll clean the back side of this off with the primer in a minute here. So that foam is just, making sure that nothing gets through on the backside, doesn't scratch anything. I don't know. You probably wouldn't need it, but 10 foot-pounds. Okay. So that's really all the wrenching you got to do on this. The rest is all just throw it in. So we're going to clean off everything here. Okay. So let's go ahead and clean this. That's where it's going to adhere right there. clean all this. Okay, so I put a little primer on the rag here, and I just putting the primer on. I'll let that dry, and that'll give us good adhesion on this thing. But hey, you're probably wondering, hey, where'd you get that nice shirt there? I've got them with the new Trucks and Vans logo with a pickup and a van both on there. As well on our website, along with coffee cups and hats and all kinds of swag. So if you're looking to up your game and the swag, there you go. Check it out. No light at all coming through on that side. And then over here, look at that. So you want the bottom down tight, you know. So I suggest you put the bottom first because you want that piece tight on the bottom. And then you kind of want the top pretty tight too. And then everything in between you can just sort of So I'm just pulling this out as I go here. Okay. So, pretty good, right? Now up here, this sticks up above the, it's even with this. It's a bed rail, and once I get my tonneau cover on, I'll figure out how that should look there. But for now, I think it's good. Let me give you a better shot of it here. Okay. So you kind of can see how this is in there. There's the top. Here's that little bracket we put in. And then it just adheres to the side of the truck there. Not much to it. Hopefully she'll stay. Okay, so they talk about the hinge limit here, which is right here and here, right? Let's do some primer. We gotta let this dry then. I don't like this towel they give you. Okay, so we're gonna get the primer all the way up. Because this is Line-X bed liner that we're trying to adhere to. Now, I don't know how good that is to try to adhere to it, but we'll see. You know, but all we can do. Okay, so we'll line this underside with the edge here, right? Well, that's pretty sticky. And once you put that down, it is not coming off. So get it right, boys. I'm doing this by feel, kind of by eye. Okay. So there's that. Okay, so I'm just going to snip this off here at the hinge. I suppose when you close it, you don't want it getting involved with that hinge, right? That's kind of the trick. Boy, that's sticky stuff there. Okay. And then these things, they go around the edge here. I don't know why they... So just like that. So this thing, it's $50 on Amazon. I'll put a link down below for it, an affiliate link, so you can pick one up. Same price whether you use my link or just go find it. But it helps us out if you use our links because Amazon gives us a little bit of commission, which is nice. Helps pay for all this stuff that I'm doing these videos with. Okay, so let's pound it down. All right. Let's see what it looks like. You guys got a pretty good angle there. Now this one, because of the way it was in the box, he does not want to be out where he's supposed to be. So, yeah, that's sealed, that's for sure. Let me get in here and show you this. Oh, you got a pretty good view of it there, don't you? Let's see. So here you go. You know, it's interesting. Well, that side, you know, you can see a gap there, but it is touching that gasket. It's definitely going to keep the rain out. I'm happy. Hey guys, I'm happy with it. Gary Schultz from Cyclone Custom. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Check out the merch. And comment below. I'll see them all. And we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.